Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone just got released, and you are looking right now how you can change the field of view for Warzone. So in this video I will show you step by step, and I will show you my settings which I think are the best to play Warzone. So first you want to go to your settings on the top right, then go all the way down to graphics. And now we have three different options: display, quality and the view. We don't want to go to quality, we want to focus on the view. So the first option is accessibility solutions. I've turned this one off. Then down here we already have the field of view. FOV I've got 113. ADS field of view is affected on my computer. Then weapon field of view is on default. I'd like to switch between these two, narrow and default. Then third person field of view is only available if you're playing custom game or if you're playing zombies in third person. I've turned this to 79, but it doesn't matter that much for Warzone. Then the vehicle field of view is on right to just see more around the vehicle itself. And then on camera I've got all the annoying motion blur, as you can see on the right, turned off. So world motion blur off and weapon motion blur off as well. Then first camera person movement, I didn't change these three options. Then inverted flashbang is off as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.